Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into Top War account using your Top War mobile application. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. Open your Top War application and then wait until your game loads. Once it's done, you'll end up in this main homepage. To log into Top War and save your progress within the game, you'll need to go ahead and tap on your profile picture located at the top left hand corner, which will then open up your profile. Now click on Account and then you have an option to bind your account to protect your game data. Simply go ahead and select either Facebook or Game Center option and follow through the prompts. If you tap on the Facebook option, it'll tell you to tap on the continue button and it'll take you to facebook.com. You'll now need to go ahead and open up Facebook application. If you've already installed the app on your device, simply tap on open and it'll take you to Facebook. Now you'll need to go ahead and tap on the continue button and you'll be able to sign in to Top Wars with Facebook. Similarly, you can also use your Game Center account. Simply tap on Game Center and then follow through the prompts to sign in with your Game Center. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to sign in with your Facebook account or your Game Center account according to your selection, and then you can bind the account to protect your game data. The progress you make throughout the game will be saved with the social media account that you've connected with. So that's how you can easily log in to Top Wars with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.